Hi everyone, let's leap into spring, new beginnings, and Easter is not that far away. Let me share the design that I've come up with this year. So easy. I'll just put my flowers down. I want to do tulips and a few spring flowers because after all, why not? It's the season. To begin, I have this, well look, it's a Dollar Tree store plastic container. If you've got a nice jug, I would use that, but I couldn't find my jug. So I've just got this. I haven't done anything to it. I've just left it white and I have thrown in some twisty willow or whatever you've got at your place will do. This here is my cheese board. I've just taken the wooden bit out of there and I'm going to use that as my base. And this is going to grace my Easter table. Oh, it's going to be so lovely. Right, with that, I've also put a few Easter eggs, just lovely, you know, those lovely new colours. I've just put those hanging off the branches. The next thing I want to put into there is, if you've got some pussy willow, bring that in. And the reason why I've got these sticks crisscrossed into here is because these are going to be my anchor or my stability for putting all my forms into. Whoops, that's just getting a bit like lost over there. So we'll just have those and just all free form. You don't have to be being too fussy about how you want to place them because after all, it is spring. The next thing I want to bring in is, and I haven't shown you these are our beautiful tulips that we have here at Prestige Botanicals. I know that it is spring, but there are people around the world that don't have spring at their place because the bulbs just might not be out. So I'm going to use some of my permanent botanicals because I want to be able to use this, have this arrangement long after Easter. And the great thing is that I can take the eggs off it and I've still got this lovely display that I can enjoy long after Easter has been and gone. And I don't like those tags there, but never mind, I'll cut those tags off in a minute. And this little one can go into there. Look at this. And the beauty of tulips is, oh, I just love them. Gorgeous, 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 lovely. Hold on, this is not going very good for me at all. I should have taken these off. So when you get them home to your place, you make sure you take those off because they're just an identification tag, nothing else. So we've got those all sort of, and some of them are a little bit longer, some of them are a little bit shorter. It doesn't matter. And there's another one that I didn't quite take off. That can go into there like so. So having those little sticks into there is a great way to support your flowers. Now the other thing I wanted to bring into here are these, oh look at those, they are so gorgeous. Those little hellebores or winter roses or Christmas roses, that can go into there. I'll bring another one around into there because I want this to be viewed from all sides, and that one there can go around and into there like so. And that's falling off, so I'm just going to bring that up and into there. Now, if you've got any jonquils or any little spring flowers, fresh flowers, you can put those in amongst it as well. Just a little, because there's something really nice about these. I just absolutely love and adore them. Mind you, in saying that, I love and adore all of the flowers. That can go over to there, and that's just sort of sunk down, but that's okay. We'll get that in due course. Right, the next thing I've got here is I've got a lovely little bird's nest, and I did this little egg ages ago. Just refer back to that. A hand-blown egg with a little face, and then I've just used a little bit of the gypsophila to make a little crown. So that I'm just going to put into there. Just poking down that little egg into there. Have a look, I'll show you. Put that to there, and I've got that little bunny down there, which I have. So look at that little, just that little wee, can you see that in there? So cute. The kids are gonna love it. Which now brings me to, I want to introduce you to our gypsophila has arrived, and hopefully by the time this goes up, these will be up on our website. But that is a lovely little form that I wanted to use into here as well. So I'll just take that off there and I'll put that into there. This loose designing is what I really like the best. And you can just let them just go whichever way you want them to go. That can go in and over to there. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that just lift it up? Now with these, I'm just going to take these up and into here and just hang these. This is a great job to get the kids to do, to get them involved in the designing right about now. That can go into there, and then I bring this around here because I want it, that's the front for now. Bringing that little baby egg bunny to there, and then I've just got a whole heap of lovely little treats that I'm just going to put around the base there so that everybody could just help themselves to those little eggs. And I've got some eggs over here. They can just go down into there. How's this for quick and easy designing with all those beautiful baby colours? Happy Easter. And now the other thing I want to do is I want to just show you what came today. Look at these. These are part of our new range. And if you didn't want to use the tulips, look at those ranunculus. Aren't they fabulous? Look at those. And there's the lovely orange one there. In fact, I'm thinking I might like a little orange into here, so that can just go into there. And this design would be beautiful for somebody who is in a rest home and can't get out, so that you can just bring a little bit of spring to them. Do take the tags off, as I already have said. That can just go down into there. We've also got this lovely lilac. I love that colour. So we've got those two colours. We've got that beautiful lilac-y one there. And of course there's the white. This is very naughty that I'm doing this. Plus we've also got the anemone. That's the wee tease from me. Happy Easter, everybody. I hope you've enjoyed that.